Welcome back. Today we continue our course in system design fundamentals. Today we will talk about the round robin load balancing. The round robin load balancing is a straightforward and widely used load balancing algorithm that distributes incoming network requests or tasks evenly among a group of backend servers or resources. It's simple algorithm that ensures that each server in the pool gets a turn to handle a request in a cyclic or a secular fashion. So let's just take an example to know how it actually works. So we have right now clients which user 1 to 4, and we have servers with server 1 to 4. And we want to distribute all the incoming requests. So basically each server will handle one client. Of course, in real world, each server will handle tons of clients, but for the simplicity, we'll just make sure that each server will handle one client. Right now we have the server list, which is the load balancer maintains a list of available servers that can handle incoming requests. These servers are typically identical in terms of capacity and capabilities. We have request arrival, which when a new request arrives at the load balancer, it needs to be directed to one of the servers in the list. And so basically, when a new server comes, a new request comes from the from user 1, we need to go to do like some sort of server selection. So the load balancer selects the next server from the list to handle the request. It follows a cyclic pattern, meaning that it starts from the beginning of the list and goes through the server in order. So basically we have user 1, we go for the first one in the list, so it will be connected with server 1. And we will have user 2, let's give it a different color. It will be connected with server 2. And we will have user 3. It will be connected to server 3. And we will have user 4. It will be connected to server 4. And it's pretty easy. It's pretty simple. So it's really easy to understand and easy to implement. And there are some characteristics that you should put in consideration when you talk about a round robin load balancing. So first, we make sure that we have even distribution. So round robin ensures that requests are distributed evenly among services. Each server gets an equal share of incoming traffic, preventing overloading of any server. The second thing is simplicity. It's really simple, actually, as you can see. So the round robin is straightforward to implement and it doesn't require complex algorithms or state tracking. It's easy to understand and manage. After that, also we have the no server state consideration. So the round robin does not take into account the current load or performance of each server. It treats all servers as equal and doesn't consider factors like health or response time in considerations. We have also it's a predictable behavior. So since the distribution pattern is deterministic, you can predict which server will handle the next request in the rotation. After all, the load balancing the round robin load balancing is suitable for scenarios where servers are relatively humongous in terms of capacity and performance, and where simplicity and equal distribution are more important than advanced load balancing considerations. However, it may not be the best choice in situations where server capacities vary significantly. So for example, if we have this server is quite way more bigger than the other servers, it's not evenly distributed right now because this server can take the load of the other three services, but it takes only one. So it's not the best situation where the server's capacities are very significantly, or when you want to consider server health, response time, or load before distribute traffic. In such cases, more advanced load balancing algorithms such as weighted round robin or least connections may be used, and we will talk about them in next videos. Overall, the round robin load balancing is a reliable and easy to implement approach that is commonly used in various network and web hosting setups to distribute traffic among a group of servers. So that's it for this video, and I hope you like my content. If you like my content, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will never miss a video, and see you in future problems.